Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we'll be learning boundary base or boss. Okay, now I will draw some sketches here, like one on a front plane, on the top plane, like this. Extrude it. I need something like okay 50 would be good. Okay, so 50 is good. Now again select another plane which is front or right plane. Okay, right plane, yes. So on right plane I would need to draw something polygon. Yep. Hexagon is good. Okay, and right here I will draw some polygon here. And now what I need to do is select extrude it. Yep, 50 is good. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to select boundary base or boss, select this, and now this is our shape. But what I need to do is just I had to just move this around a little bit. Okay, go back to this and move it here. Okay, now exit sketch. Now again boundary boss or base, select this 3D face and this face. Now you can see the type of shape. This green line determines that whether the orientation is okay or not. Okay, so I think it's good. Now direction vector or normal to profile, this one. The other one is align with section normal or align with next normal, and the other one is tangents to face. These lines will be tangent to this face, or you can say curvature to face, but we'll choose like normal to profile, and then you can drag it wherever you want. So this will be our new face or new body. Okay, this is all. Now this is about our body. Okay, let's just create another one, or let's just modify it a bit. Okay, move this one around, and it's now a straight one, or you can move it here, so it will be more like curved surface like this. Okay, now so now I will select the top plane and we'll draw some sketch over it. Here is my top plane, and there I would need a center point just to align my shape around this line. Okay, what would I do? I would choose a polygon and I want to draw it right here. Okay, so this is my polygon. I need to make it a bit bigger. Okay, now this is my polygon. Exit a sketch, and I will draw some profile, some shape on a line which is perpendicular to it. it out. Now select something which is perpendicular to this. Okay, and now make sure that it intersects the sketch. End of the sketch. In direction 1, select this one. Direction 2, select this one. And here it is, my new shape that I have just constructed by using the boundary boss or base condition. Okay, and this is all about boundary boss or base condition. You can use thin feature or anything in this. I hope you would like it. Please like and share with your friends. You subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.